What's up, guys? Stereotype here again with a new review. Yeah! I got a new review for y'all today. Last time the review. If you guys recall me doing my Redman Chew review, that review was shitty as fuck. It was short. You couldn't hear me. My friends were trying to get chews off of me. Well, I just picked me a brand spanking new bag of Redman up. Because, I haven't tried it in a long time. And I said, what the fuck, why not? So, I also got my can of Copenhagen Wintergreen like always. Yes, as you can see, not even opened. About to open it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh yes. Look at that. Why don't you just look at that? Oh my, holy shit, it's going all over. Fucking rookie. Let's put a big old ham hog in there, as Darcy would say, or aka Sergeant Spinner. Let's put some more in. Like a real fucking man. It's been a while since I've had Redman Chew, everybody. My jug of the day. The Overdrive Mud Jug. Get you one over at mudjug1portalspittoons.com. And let's continue with the video, shall we? Playing a little GTA 5 here for Xbox 360. And let's do the full review on the Redman Chew. It's basically just chewing leaves. Pretty much. And you just chew on them and suck on them. Because if you chew on them, you get more flavor out of it, more juice. And it pretty much looks like this. Like leaves. It's really good. Yeah, I like Redman a lot better than anything else, actually. I'm going to try this with a chew-in. Don't know how good this is going to work or not, but I got the Rockstar Boom Energy with Strawberry. This shit's actually pretty good. Yeah, that didn't work out so well. But, yeah, I like it. Okay, you want to fucking go, motherfucker? Yeah, take that, you bitch. Why the fuck's the money the whole way over there? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So yeah, nothing really much more to say about Redman. Fucking good. But yeah, I like it. I think it's good. Like I said before, never fails to impress me. I mean, I literally love whoever sent me 2 or 3 bags of Redman. Well, got my new phone. I don't know if you guys seen it already, but the fuck? I thought I turned my data off. Uh, oh, what? You don't like my shirt? Fuck you! I have family that fought on the Confederate side, you fucking pricks. So suck my dick. If you don't like it, unsubscribe me. Get the fuck out of here. Well, that's it for this review. Till next time, Jerry the Producer 7 out.